What is up, Facebook friends and fam? Today I want to share a little tutorial with y'all about how to get free books on any mobile device. So right now I just want to show you my library and my books app, my iPhone. Every single one of these books right here I got through this method, through this website, and yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna pull up the website now. It is called Library Genesis. There is the name of the website on the top of the page, and I am going to use Old Man and the Sea as my example for this. Classic by Ernest Hemingway. So I typed in the title right there. What you want to pay attention to for the easy way to do this is you want to scroll in, and on the right column you see the extension. You want to make sure your book is an EPUB file, because EPUB files are easier to import into the Books app. You can do PDFs as well. I'll do that after I do this method, but it just is a little bit complicated versus the EPUBs. So you scroll over to EPUB. There we go. Just want to make sure it's what I want. Old Man and the Sea. Boom. You click on this little one right here, and it pulls up to this next page. You go to the top, you click on Get, and from here it starts your download. It should start the download. Sometimes you have to use one of these three buttons below it: the Cloudflare, the IPFS, and the Infra. And so it says it pulled up this download, so I'm gonna hit download. Download is starting up here in the top right of the page. All right, now that it's done downloading, you're gonna click on it, and oh wow, it automatically opened in Books. I usually use Mozilla Firefox as my browser on my phone, and you usually have to share it to the Books app, but that was really straightforward. So cool. Well, now I'm going to go back, and I am going to do a PDF file of it so I can show you that method. And so yeah, this is a PDF version. I'm going to click the Get button and download. Boom, there it is. And so with PDFs, see, I click on it right here, and all it does is open it. What we're going to do to get it into the Books app is we're going to have to go to our files. So favorites, downloads, here it is. This is the PDF. So now we are going to hit more in Books, and now it's opening it in Books, and we have to do one more thing, because just that right there doesn't keep it inside the Books app. If I exit it, see, it isn't in here anymore. We got to go back to the files, hit Books again, more Books, and then you click on the three lines up here by the back arrow, and you do share one more time and copy to Books. So now if I exit out of the PDF, it's still here in the Books app. And yeah, you can scroll through it and read through it. And here is the EPUB file. So yeah, I hope this tutorial helps people save a lot of money on books, because knowledge is power. And do me a favor and like, comment, share this video.